Hey everyone, thanks again for joining us on another episode of It Starts With Plastic Free. Today we are going to talk about baby wipes. And Corey?
Well, I just want to start.
Well, I'd like to welcome you first, but hey, go start,
well, You know I like to just get straight into it.
You got some interesting stats, but go for it because I've got some today as well.
So we're going to talk about plastic and baby wipes and volumes and the likes. So just a little bit of background. What's already happened in the UK, we covered this once before, but Tesco has already banned baby wipes in the UK back in Feb 22. They sold 75 million packs annually, or 4.8 billion individual baby wipes alone. Feel quite amazing.
That's incredible.
Boots chemists in the UK have also banned wipes, and Audi
plastic wipes.
And Audi have committed to selling only plastic-free wipes in the UK.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, I've got some stats here which I'm going to share with the audience because where we want to get with this is how we can actually implement change in Australia. So these are the numbers that people aren't aware of. So firstly, to give it some context, from the research we've done and conversations we've had with key parties around the country, not naming who they are, more than 2.5 billion nappies are sold each year in Australia. Huge market. We're not going down the nappy path, but to give that some context, on average, you'd say that 2 to 3 wipes would be used per nappy change.
Yeah,
and we know that some baby wipes are used for non-nappy applications because people are using them for cleaning and facial, etc., where they shouldn't, but they do. So on average, you get an 80 pack of wipes, which you see on the shelves of retailers of baby wipes. 100 million packs of baby wipes each year sold in Australia. That equates to 8 billion wet wipes, baby wipes, per annum are used. Now, that's a huge number when we talk about single-use materials.
Yep.
Not all plastic.
Yep.
What is good is we're seeing the trends going into the non-plastic-based baby wipes. However, that's still less than 20% of what is out there on the shelves of the market. So major retailers, the big offerings are, and the big volume products that are obviously the cheapest end of the space are still polyester, polypropylene-based materials. Now, when you take that number of what's sort of 80% left of those baby wipes that are plastic based, that becomes 6.5 billion wipes. Now, this is the number that really counts. When you work back on what the average baby wipe dimensions are, we'll call it 180 mil by 180 mil, and the weight per wipe at 45 grams per sort of square meter, that then, when you work that 6.5 billion wipes back, it's 8,400 tonne, more than 400 tonne, 8,400 tonne of plastic that is used. Now, Corey, we know from the data we've had from government, that's like 10 times more than the plastic straw issue that made so much noise. But this number keeps getting missed.
Yes.
And this is the low-hanging fruit here. We've got, if you go to any major supermarket or pharmacy retailer, there wouldn't be probably an hour of the day where nappies and baby wipes aren't sold, let alone all the stuff online that's purchased.
And just putting that into something relative, so again, going back to that report, the Australian Plastic Flows and Fates study of 2019-2020, 1.1 billion single-use high-density plastic bags were used in Australia, 1.8 billion hot cups, almost 1 billion cold cups, and then over here we've got a lazy 6.5 billion plastic wipes, wipes that contain plastic.
And look, these are things that it starts at home. We talk about all the steps at home to get sustainable and keep ourselves at plastic free and reduce plastic landfill. But these are literally baby steps towards just a decision that when we're purchasing, looking at the packaging, understanding what's on that pack, and if it's not shouted out that it's biodegradable, compostable or plant-based that can back that up, then you're buying something that's plastic. And it's just like sort of buying shopping bags, plastic bags, people taking these fabric bags to go and put their plastic baby wipes in when they go in the supermarket. It's ironic and it's crazy, but these are the areas that we can make changes to. So, I don't know whether we're going to get Craig Rocastle looking at this program, but if they're talking about the war on plastic, this might be one that's
a nice
could start.
contributor.
Maybe someone might want to pass on to Craig and see whether the plastic baby wipes might be a good start point. But it is time to act, and we can control that with what we're buying every day. And it might be that babies and mums could be the start of saving plastic and eliminating our landfill.
Yep.
What do you reckon, Corey?
Yeah, if you're gonna buy a baby wipe, make sure it's plastic free. There's options out there.
Until next time on It Starts With Plastic Free, don't forget to subscribe, share this along, drop us a comment. We'll see you next time.